What's going on, everyone? Waterfall in our front yard. HVAC paid for this. I know this is isn't really HVAC related, but in this video you're gonna see my friend Chris Ostrander putting this thing together. He did an awesome job. So no further ado, take it away, Chris.
Hey everybody, Chris from Living Water Landscape Service, and we are at the Chris Jones property this morning. It's March, early in March, so it's kind of rare that we'll be building a waterfall, but that's what's happening today. Chris had a older pond that had been here a long time. At one point we had renovated the stream in it, but now we're going to change this whole thing into a pondless waterfall. So let me flip this around and I'll kind of show you what we're going to be doing. This down here, this area is the old pond, and what we're going to do is replace that open space with those aqua blocks right over there. They're going to create a structural void. The liner will be wrapped around those. That'll be a place for the water to be stored, and then that water will pump up to the old biofalls and come down through a stream right down in that area. Look amazing. Going to be a lot less maintenance and a little bit more waterfall.